This PowerPoint animation course is all about designing and animating YouTube outros using Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a very powerful and simple software with which you can do much more than creating animated presentations or drawing cartoons. You need access to Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 or 2016 or Office 365 to design and animate YouTube outros. Let's see what you are going to get from this course before diving into the contents of this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to design and animate YouTube outros, add those outros you have created to your YouTube videos, add subscribe link to channel, or add related videos in those YouTube outros and link them correspondingly. Now let's have an introduction about what you will learn in this course. Section 1 is what you are watching now. So let's skip it and move on to section 2. In section 2, you will create a simple and easy YouTube outro. This section is aimed at getting you accustomed with the process. So you will just learn the following. Entire procedure of YouTube outro creation process, the features that you are going to use in PowerPoint, how to format the slide background, how to add and animate a video inside PowerPoint, how to add a YouTube subscribe button in PowerPoint, and finally, how to export the PowerPoint presentation as a YouTube outro video. Section 3 is the core part of this course. Apart from design perspective, there is no use in designing, animating and producing outro videos for YouTube if you don't learn how to use it effectively, isn't it? That's what you will learn in this section. You are going to upload your YouTube outro to your YouTube channel. You will learn to add that outro to your existing or new YouTube videos and add annotations to that outro. Only these annotations can make those outros clickable. You will learn to add different functionalities such as when someone clicks on any thumbnails, you can redirect them to your website, to a lead page, to a product you sell online, to any video course you have produced, to other videos on your YouTube channel, or to subscribe to your channel and increase your subscribers count rapidly. In section 4, you will learn to convert a previously designed simple outro to another style. This is what you will need once you have mastered this outro designing process. You will also learn to do some essential video editing like trimming, adding a different animation style, etc. In sections 5, 6 and 7, you will learn to design, animate and produce 3 unique animated YouTube outros with different styles. Take these sections only after finishing section 2. You may even take section 3 and 4 at last if you wish. These sections from 5 to 7 covers the advanced designing process of this course. In section 8, I have attached the PowerPoint presentation file that I have used to create this course. You can use this resource file and follow section 4 to change my YouTube outros to your own unique styles. In section 9, you have got some bonus surprises. Let's dive into creating a simple and easy YouTube outro in the next section. See you.